Do you love the conveniences of city living while still enjoying the feel of a neighborhood? Then this is a property for you. Updated, spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo has newer carpet in bedrooms. The open floor plan has hardwood floors in the living room, dining room and kitchen. Kitchen features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, cherry cabinets, recessed lighting and stainless steel sink. Master bedroom has its own bath, walk-in closet and in-unit washer and dryer. 1 garage parking space, balcony included in rent, heat, water, cooking gas, parking, storage, trash removal, snow removal, landscaping and an additional community coin laundry on the first floor. Lovely Park 1 block away, Metra train, Pace bus and DES Plains Library 4 blocks away.